Moving on with critical discourse analysis and genre, I'll talk further about various discourse structures which are available in various genres. Uh, Discourse structure can be analyzed, which belonging to various genres can be analyzed based on the norms and values of the genre it belongs to, or various categories or certain systematic identifications which mark uh, a genre different from another genre. So, one thing which can help us to analyze the discourse structure of a genre is the convention it belongs to. Another can be the rhetorical structure. A rhetorical structure can be based on some kind of argument, some kind of problem solution statements, or it could be some kind of description. Similarly, if we look at the genre category, this could be identified differently from one category to another. A certain genre can be a letter to editor, it could be story writing, maybe a kind of writing on social media. So it depends which genre it belongs to. Broadly speaking, and to sum the argument which I have just raised, a typical discourse structure in a genre can be seen through two different perspectives. One is to see to which category of genre or which genre it belongs to, and to see the rhetorical structure it carries. For example, if we look at the genre structure, we will look into various writing styles and structures belongs to that typical genre. And is a writer of a particular text you are analyzing is following those structures and styles or not. Then we may also see that what kind of argument has been raised in that particular piece of writing, and in what ways, what rhetorical or linguistic strategies have been employed to raise the structure. So this could help us analyzing a genre or a piece of writing or discourse based on its genre. Peltridge, for example, have studied various texts related to discourses based on the theses and dissertations of university students, and he identified different patterns being used by students studying in different universities across his participants. He found that there could be certain, he attempted to find certain recurring patterns of organization in thesis, but he also identified many variations in the write of those theses and dissertations. For example, he identified 4 different kinds of theses or dissertations based on his investigation and the conventions they follow. For example, he identified some labels such as simple traditional thesis, which follow the traditions of writing thesis of a particular university strictly. Then we have complex traditional, where we can have some intermix of various conventional values. And then topic based, which follow the special or unique demands of a topic. And then compilation of research articles, which are more professional research based articles. In his book, he has focused on the analysis of an abstract from a doctoral dissertation also, where he identified, where he analyzed various aspects how an abstract may be written or has been written in that particular dissertation. And he found that the abstract follows a typical generic structure for a dissertation abstract, and that abstract was based on a problem solution kind of argument. So this kind of analysis based on the conventions of a genre as well as the discourse structure or some kind of rhetorical structure followed in a certain piece of writing may help us not only to identify the genre of a particular text, but also help us to identify various socio-political aspects associated with that text. And in this way, this can help us to conduct a comprehensive critical discourse analysis of that text.